Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and today I'm excited to bring to you the new Gina K Designs Pocket Full of Sunshine kit that was released at the very end of April of 2024, and it just came in the mail today. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. So here we go. It's very exciting. I love the Gina K kits because they have so much packed in here for the value of it. Let's see. All right. First up, we have the incentive set for this month, and it's called Close to My Heart. And there are 3 dragonflies, a little trail, and a few stamps on there. Hello, so sorry, thinking of you and keeping you close to my heart. And the people we love become a part of who we are. So this is a really cute little set. Alright. And Gina K always has the best packaging. Everything is very safe and together. Alright, we have this sticky bubble wrap and everything. Okay, first up, I did get a couple extra things with my kit. This is the Sweet Memories die set. I had just gotten the Sweet Memories stamp set and I didn't have the matching die, so I ordered that. So I had that together. Then we have the Close to My Heart die set, so you can get the incentive set and then get the dies that go with it, which is awesome. And another add-on, I got the Playful Posies, and this is a cute little die set. Very delicate little flowers. Yeah, so they're just little cute floral die cuts. And then the kit. Very exciting. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the Pocket Full of Sunshine kit. Alright. And the first thing that they always have is a little guide of everything that's included. So as you can see, this month's kit has so much stuff in it. There's 2 stamp sets with matching dies. There's a 4-piece layering stencil, and then as a free gift there is a pocket die. So that's pretty cool. And on the top here is the perfect pocket die. So you could put this on the front of a card. You could stick flowers in it. If you wanted to do a gift card, you could put this on the inside or the outside of a card and just do adhesive around the edge, and then you could slip a gift card in there. Let's see, I'll take these out. Okay, so first up we have All Occasion Flowers. And this is the stamp and die set. So many things. Get this out of the way. I'll put down a white sheet so maybe you can see it a little bit better. Alright, this one is really cool. It's got a couple of paint swatch, you know, And we have birthday wishes with love, thinking of you, thankful for you, hello friend, with sympathy. And the font on this is great. It's got the mix of the block and the cursive. And then we have a bunch of flowers, and look at this great floral spray. And then with that, you get all the dies. They are already detabbed, so you don't have to worry about that. And they also come on a really sturdy magnet board that comes from Stampin' Storage. So this is really good quality. So you can make sure everything is all together. Next is the stamp and die set Pocket Full of Sunshine. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. So the Pocket Full of Sunshine stamp set. So you have sun, you have coffee, tea drinks, a lot of really good little texts. And a kitty cat and a dog, and the little pocket stamp and some flowers and hearts. And this would be really cool too. You could have them coming out of the pocket. And also with that, again, you get all the die set, and you can put them on this magnet board. That's so cute. All right, so that is the Pocket Full of Sunshine set. We'll have an avalanche of crafting supplies fall down here soon. All right, there we go. All right, and last with this kit, we have the 4-piece layering stencil, and that's called Flowering Vine. It looks like the first couple layers are for the flowers and the second layers are for the vines. And that would be really pretty to do along the edge of a card or as a background. Lots of good ideas. And the cool thing too about the Gina K Card Kits is that next month they will break them all apart, and so you can buy each one of these separately if there's only one piece that you would like to purchase instead of the whole kit. Alright, so this has been the unboxing for the new Pocket Full of Sunshine card kit by Gina K. Like, subscribe, and have a fabulous day. Thanks.